Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we turn dreams into dollars. Imagine this. You're lounging on a sunny beach, sipping a pina colada, with zero worries about bills or bosses. That's the retirement paradise we're all chasing, right? But here's the hook that might shock you. Did you know that over 50% of Americans fear they'll outlive their savings? Don't let that be you. Today, in this ultimate guide on how to invest for your retirement, I'm spilling the beans on timeless strategies that'll secure your golden years. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned saver, this evergreen tutorial will arm you with the tools to build wealth that lasts. Stick around till the end for a game-changing tip. And if you love this, hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building wisdom, and share with a friend who's dreaming big. Let's dive in. First off, why bother with retirement investing? Picture your future self. Will they thank you or curse you? Retirement isn't just about stopping work. It's about freedom, adventures, and peace of mind. With inflation creeping up like a sneaky thief, your money needs to grow, not just sit there. That's where investing comes in. Keywords like retirement planning tips and best retirement investments are buzzing for a reason. Smart folks know that starting early harnesses the magic of compound interest. Think of it as a snowball rolling downhill. Small investments grow massively over time. For example, invest $200 a month at 7% return from age 25. And by 65, you could have over $500,000. Mind-blowing, huh? But wait, if you start at 35, it's half that. Hook number one. Time is your biggest ally in how to invest for retirement. Don't procrastinate. Act now. Step 1 in our retirement investing tutorial. Assess your current situation. Grab a coffee, sit down, and crunch those numbers. What's your age, income, debts, and risk tolerance? Are you a thrill seeker who loves stock market roller coasters? Or do you prefer the steady climb of bonds? Use free online calculators. Search for Retirement Savings Calculator to estimate how much you'll need. Aim for 25 times your annual expenses per the 4% rule. That's evergreen advice. Live off 4% of your nest egg yearly without depleting it. If you're overwhelmed, no sweat. This is why we're here. Remember, folks searching retirement investing for beginners often skip this, but it's your foundation. Build it strong. Now, let's talk goals. Set smart ones. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Want $1 million by 60? Break it down. Save $500 monthly. Invest wisely. Hook alert. Visualizing your dream retirement amps up motivation. See yourself traveling Europe or spoiling grandkids? That emotional pull keeps you committed. Pro tip for retirement planning strategies. Automate savings. Set up direct deposits into retirement accounts, out of sight, out of mind, but growing like wildfire. All right, on to the juicy part. Choosing investments. Diversification is key. Don't put all eggs in one basket. Start with tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks or IRAs. If your job offers a 401k match, grab it. It's free money. Contribute enough to max that match. It's like an instant 100% return. For self-employed peeps, SEP IRAs or solo 401ks are gold. Now, inside these mix stocks for growth, bonds for stability, and maybe ETFs for easy diversification. Stocks historically return 7 to 10% annually after inflation. Perfect for long-term investing for retirement. But beware volatility. That's why younger folks can go aggressive while nearing retirement. Shift to safer bonds. Ever heard of index funds? They're the unsung heroes of best ways to invest for retirement. Low fees, broad market exposure. Think Vanguard's S&P 500 fund. Warren Buffett swears by them. Avoid hot tips or day trading. That's gambling, not investing. Instead, dollar cost average. Invest fixed amounts regularly, buying more when prices dip. This evergreen tactic smooths out market bumps. And for those Googling retirement investment options. Consider Roth IRAs. Pay taxes now, withdraw tax-free later. If you're in a low tax bracket, it's a no-brainer. But hold up, common pitfalls can derail your plan. Hook. The biggest mistake? Emotional investing. Panic selling during crashes wipes out gains. Remember 2008 or 2020. Markets recover, always. Stick to your plan. Another trap. High fees. Those 1% expense ratios add up. Over 30 years, they could eat 25% of your returns. Choose low-cost options. And lifestyle creep. Earning more but spending more sabotages savings. Live below your means. That's the secret sauce in how to build retirement wealth. For advanced retirement investing tips, explore real estate via REITs, real estate investment trusts, passive income without landlord headaches, or annuities for guaranteed payouts. But watch fees. If you're into sustainable retirement investing, ESG funds align profits with values and rebalance annually. Sell high, buy low to maintain your asset mix. Tax efficiency matters too. Hold growth assets in Roths, income in traditional IRAs. As we wrap this up, remember, investing for retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and educate yourself. Books like The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins are timeless gems. You've got this. Millions have built fortunes this way. Now, action time. Review your finances today. If this fired you up, smash that like button. Subscribe for weekly tips on retirement planning and wealth building strategies, and share with someone who needs this wake-up call. Oh, and for exploding your online income, because why stop at retirement? Click the link in the description to order my amazing digital marketing products. From SEO mastery courses to affiliate blueprints, they'll help you grow wealth online faster than you think. Turn views into ventures. Thanks for watching. Your future self is cheering. See you next time. Peace out.